So for today's video, I'm coming live to you from my bathroom. I'm going to be testing out the Dior Pump and Volume Mascara Duo. And I've heard like so many things about this, you guys probably have too. So I'm just really excited to see if it lives up to its expectations. But I mean, it's Dior, so it probably will. So it comes in this like nice fancy little box. Little gold detail, it's so cute. And then this little tray actually looks like a jewelry holder or something. Just it feels like that fuzzy material. And yeah, let's open this up. So I actually got one for me and then one for my mom. And I'll give it to her tomorrow actually. But okay, so all right, so this is the little primer bottle. Let's try this out. Oh, I should give you a before and after, so ignore this side. But this is a before. My eyelashes aren't super short or anything, but you could always use some help. So that's it with the primer. Looks a little white. So you can kind of see a difference with this side and this side. It just looks a little more like thick, the lashes. Sorry for this, it's super up close. Both eyes have the primer on them. I have to say it's a little weird that it's kind of like whitish, but I mean, I don't think it's a big deal because obviously the black mascara will cover it. Now it's time for this baby. So this is what like the bristles on the brush look like, by the way. It just looks like a normal little shaped brush. It's nothing like, the bristles itself aren't too long and the wand isn't super like curvy or anything. It's just kind of normal. All right, so my right eye is done and left obviously isn't. Here is what they look like. It's definitely a big difference. Definitely a lot longer and just like, how can you see the side? Definitely a lot longer and just overall obviously thicker. Can't tell if they look clumpy or not. I mean, honestly, my eyelashes like always look clumpy, but I kind of like it. Okay, so both eyes are done and it definitely makes them like way longer than other mascaras. Wow. But it honestly does come out a little gooey-ish. Like, yeah, it just feels kind of gooey when you're like applying it. So, not that it's necessarily a bad thing, I'm just, my other mascaras weren't like that. But I think I need to like comb them out a little. Actually, they don't look that bad on camera. I would say just like separate them, but let's see. Okay, yes, they definitely look way longer than normal, which is a good thing, obviously. So let's try to comb them out a bit. But another good thing about this mascara duo is, you know, sometimes when you're applying mascara, it, like no matter what you do, no matter how careful you are, it just gets on your lids or like the bottom if you blink, or it just freaking smears all over the place, even if you're going so slow and so careful. This one like just didn't at all, so that's a plus. Okay, so the final outcome after like brushing them out a little bit is, this is it up close. Well, guess it smeared a tiny dot, but that's probably just my mistake. But yeah. So overall, I'd say I'm actually pretty excited about it. And I'll probably buy it again, who knows. But this is my first like high-end mascara actually. I usually just use whatever like falsies from freaking Maybelline or something. Just because I didn't really care about mascara that much, but I'm actually really excited. I feel like especially if you have naturally pretty short or light lashes, this is gonna make like a huge difference just because it's so dark and thick. So if you guys actually happen to have it or want to try it too, let me know. And maybe I'll test out another product sometime.